Hey everyone, I'm Lena, and welcome back to the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations, your home for all things steam, sauna, and modern wellness. If you're researching home saunas, you've probably noticed two very different paths. On one side, there are traditional sauna kits, basic, functional, and largely unchanged for decades. On the other side, there are newer brands like SaunaLife, which position themselves as more design-focused and experience-driven. At first glance, SaunaLife saunas often cost more, so the real question becomes, are SaunaLife saunas actually worth it, or are you just paying for looks? In this video, 1L break down what SaunaLife does differently, how they compare to traditional sauna kits, and which option makes sense depending on what you actually want from a sauna. Let's start by understanding what SaunaLife actually is as a brand. SaunaLife isn't a generic sauna kit company. The brand was created by sauna enthusiasts who wanted to make authentic Scandinavian-style saunas more accessible in North America, without the extreme costs usually associated with custom builds. Their team spent time studying traditional sauna construction in Northern Europe, then combined that knowledge with modern engineering and modular design. The goal wasn't just to sell sauna boxes. It was to deliver a finished sauna experience that balances heritage, quality, and affordability. Now let's talk about materials and construction. This matters more than people think. SaunaLife saunas are precision-crafted in Northern Europe using high-grade Scandinavian woods that have been used in sauna culture for generations. These materials are chosen specifically for durability in high heat, long-term structural stability, natural resistance to warping, a clean, refined look that ages well. Many traditional sauna kits use more generic lumber and simpler construction methods. They work, but they don't always age as gracefully. This difference in materials and craftsmanship is one of the biggest reasons SaunaLife saunas feel more refined over time. Assembly and installation is another major difference. Traditional sauna kits often require more on-site adjustment, more installer interpretation, more trial and error during assembly. SaunaLife saunas are pre-engineered and panelized, which means faster assembly, cleaner fit and finish, more predictable results, less dependency on installer creativity. For homeowners, and especially contractors, this reduces friction and uncertainty. What about heat performance? Is there a real difference? Here's where expectations need to be realistic. Both SaunaLife saunas and traditional sauna kits use high-quality electric sauna heaters, reach proper sauna temperatures, deliver authentic dry sauna bathing. The difference isn't raw heat output, the difference is how the space feels when you're inside it. SaunaLife focuses heavily on interior proportions, bench height relationships, airflow balance, lighting placement. These design choices create a more comfortable, even, and relaxing sauna session, especially during longer use. Design and aesthetics, where SaunaLife clearly separates itself. This is the most obvious difference. Traditional sauna kits are built to function first. They often look utilitarian and boxy. SaunaLife saunas are designed to blend into modern homes, work well in basements, home gyms, and wellness rooms, feel intentional and architectural. For buyers who care how their wellness space looks, not just how hot it gets, this is where SaunaLife pulls ahead. Now let's talk about SaunaLife's product range, because it's broader than most people realize. One thing that often gets overlooked is that SaunaLife isn't a one-style sauna brand. They offer a wide range of products designed for different spaces, climates, and use cases. SaunaLife has indoor saunas for basements, home gyms, and wellness rooms. Outdoor saunas built to handle year-round weather, barrel saunas which are popular for backyards and compact spaces, hot tubs designed to complement sauna bathing, barrel showers, often paired with outdoor sauna setups. This matters because it allows homeowners to build a complete wellness environment, not just add a single sauna unit. Traditional sauna kits are usually limited to basic indoor box-style designs. SaunaLife's broader lineup gives you more flexibility in how and where you install your sauna, whether that's inside the home or as part of an outdoor retreat. Now let's talk about pricing, and what you're actually paying for. Yes, SaunaLife saunas generally cost more than traditional kits. But that price difference reflects Scandinavian materials, European craftsmanship, faster, cleaner installation, a finished premium aesthetic, a more curated sauna experience. Traditional sauna kits still make sense if budget is the primary concern, you're comfortable with heavy DIY, design and finish aren't priorities. SaunaLife makes sense when you want less friction and a better end result. So, which one should you choose? Choose SaunaLife if you value Scandinavian sauna heritage, you want a refined, modern look, you prefer predictable installation, you want a sauna that feels like part of your home, you care about long-term aesthetics as much as performance. Choose a traditional sauna kit if you want the lowest upfront cost, you're comfortable with hands-on DIY, you only care about heat, not design, you're fine with a more utilitarian finish. Neither option is wrong, they're just designed for different buyers. Let's wrap this up. SaunaLife isn't trying to compete with traditional sauna kits on price alone. They're competing on heritage, materials, design, ease of installation, overall experience. If you want a sauna that feels thoughtfully designed and built to last, SaunaLife is absolutely worth considering. If you just want basic heat at the lowest cost, traditional kits still do the job. If you're deciding between SaunaLife and traditional sauna kits, or you want help choosing the right sauna for your space, you can explore options or reach out to us at Opulent Recreations anytime. You'll find links to all our sauna collection below in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. And if you'd like more installation tips or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint. I'm Lena, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.